Hello. So, do you need additional nice, beautiful mirrors for your R1200RT? You don't need to buy the Wunderlich ones or whatever Touratech or whatever other companies are. You just have to buy yourself a K1200RS and then just pull the mirrors off. Boom! There we go. Go to your RT, put the mirror back in there. There we go. Mirror is in there. Oh, sorry. There we go. And there we go. You have your beautiful extra mirrors. Also from a BMW. There we go. Simple as that. If you don't want to buy a K1200 RS for the mirrors, you can only buy the mirrors, which are, I think, a bit cheaper. Alright, I hope this helps you. So have a good day. Bye.